Hello viewers, so welcome to my YouTube channel. In this episode today, I'll be telling you about the huge backlog in Canada immigration. I get this question a lot of time. People asking me this question who have submitted my application since 2021, 2020. I haven't gotten any feedback. So in this video, I'll be breaking it down for you, let you know about this backlog, and likewise, I'll let you know what Canada government is actually doing towards reducing this backlog. So I'm going to stay tuned. I will be back. Welcome back. This is Canada Reality. I still remember my humble self, MC Bernardino. This is Canada Reality, where I dish out content for those that are in Canada and those that are aspiring to migrate into Canada. Is this your first time on this YouTube channel? Click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be among the first to get it. And if you enjoy this video, please smash on the like button. Alright, so let's get into the nitty-gritty. Do you know that the backlog as of December, the backlog in application for immigrants that want to come into Canada stood at 1.8 million. That is whooping 1.8 million. It's so huge. Never have we had it this much of a backlog. That's ever, I don't know. I don't think it has ever happened in the history of immigration in Canada. But that is what we have now, a whopping 1.8 million backlog in application. So when I say 1.8 million, it cuts across all the immigration pathway you want to name: study, visitors visa, permanent resident, citizenship, humanitarian, refugee and asylum seekers, provincial nominee, everything. So the backlog is so huge, and that's why some of you are actually caught in this web, and they keep pondering, they keep asking me this question in the comment section, that what can you do about it? So this video is just to let you know that just as you have the concern, so also does Canada also knows about this concern. So they know about this, and that's why they released the statistics in the first place, stating that there's a 1.8 million backlog in immigration application that is outstanding now. And what I'm just trying to let you know is that Canada government knows about this, and they're trying their best just to make sure they can actually resolve that. So let me now take you through some slides so that you can better understand what the numbers are in real fact, how many people are actually waiting in terms of study, PR, citizenship, asylum seekers, refugees. So let's look at the numbers now so that you can better understand what I'm talking about. Okay, viewers, I hope you can actually see the figures for yourself now. You can better understand for yourself now where this backlog is, what the numbers are, and where you actually stand in this particular situation. So once again, just to let you know that Canada government knows about this, and okay, so now let's talk about what Canada government is actually doing towards this backlog. So the Liberals, which is the government in power, is actually doing its best through the Prime Minister to actually reduce this backlog. And that was why the Prime Minister, Justin Trudeau, gave the mandate to the Immigration Minister, Sean Fraser, that they should try and do all within their best to reduce this backlog as soon as possible. So in order for them to do that, I think immigration is taking a very big step now to hire more case workers, employees that will help them to work day and night just to make sure that they cut down this backlog as soon as possible, because they've gotten the mandate from the Prime Minister, and the Minister of Immigration is acting right away. So I want to assure you that very soon, in the first quarter to second quarter of this year 2022, you'll start noticing some changes, and things will begin to expedite, and your application would be will receive cognizance that it deserves. So all I can just tell you is that just remain hopeful, prayerful, and calm. Do not worry about this, because you're not just the only one in this situation. There are numerous people in the same situation just like you. Just remain calm, and very soon, when it gets to your application, you will get a response. So all I can say is that if you have applied for study, for visitors visa, for PR, for citizenship, FSW, CEC, whatever application you've applied for, just be cool and calm. Very soon you'll get a response, because in as much as you submitted an application online, definitely you will get a response, either yes or no. you will get a response. So just relax, and you'll get a feedback as soon as possible. And also, let me also let you know that for those that are intending to apply, that doesn't deter you from applying too. So if you're intending to apply for study, for visit, for whatever you want to apply for, you can still go further and apply for it. I mean, doesn't, but what I can just tell you in essence is that if you're planning to apply now, take for instance, you're coming to school in Canada for September 2022, it is better you start. I mean, don't give yourself that, don't put yourself in a situation whereby you have to wait for 3 months before you apply for the visa. As soon as you can get all the documents right, you can get everything. I can even say, even if it is 6 months before, start applying before you. So the earlier you get those documents ready and apply, so that you give yourself more time, because international students are actually facing that difficulty of not hearing back from IRCC, and the school they are coming into, the class resume already, and they have to defer the admission, and they are contemplating, oh, what do I do in this? So in order not to put yourself in such situation, it is better for you to actually give yourself enough time to apply, so that you can actually cop that and it doesn't affect you. All right, viewers, I hope you actually understood the video that I brought for you today. If you still have any question, any concern, feel free to drop it in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please hit on the likes button and share it to whoever you feel will benefit from it. And you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I drop a video, you will always get it. You know, like I always do on this channel, I like to bring those information to you, and I try as much as possible to address your concern. And that's why I brought this video, and I will always bring the video to you. Till I see you again, keep calm and God bless you.